Welcome back, everyone. It is 5:45 out here. It's 5 o'clock in the morning and they're running back. They had a couple of troubles, so here they come now. D-12 is taking the lead, and then her helper engine's in the back. Alrighty, everyone, there goes DeQueen ready. Alrighty, there goes my friends Richard and Michael. They're on the way to DeQueen. They had a couple of troubles, but that'll be fixed. It's going to the shop. The engines are. So those girls be in the shop getting fixed, and then they'll bring the others the next day. But the reason why you should always wear a reflective vest is so that when you're filming at nighttime, the engineers, the conductor and engineer can see you. It's pretty cold out here a little bit, and that motors can see you, and they know not to run over you. And wearing a reflective vest, it is very respectful to the railroad. Railroads do love you wearing reflective vests because they want you to be safe out there, even if you're 50 feet back. It gives them some comfort, some room, and all that type of such. And they like it, and they like you wearing it because you're actually supporting the railroads, especially in their neck of the woods, like I am. But I support any railroad if I'm wearing a reflective vest. It don't matter what reflective vest I'm currently going to be wearing. I'm going to wear it anyways if I'm on railroad property or off railroad property. It don't matter either way. I like wearing a reflective vest because safety is the priority thing on the railroad, and being safe on the railroad is a motto. And and if the crew has to wear a vest, then I'm going to wear a vest. But it's up to anybody who wants to wear one or not have to wear one. So, whew, it's kind of a little bit nippy out here, and it's 5 o'clock, and I'm tired. So I can stay up for a whole entire day. So share, comment, subscribe. If you want to know anything else about me wearing a reflective vest, just say so, and I'll read it in the comments, and I'll do a comment about it. But I like supporting my railroads, and that you get respect from the railroad. So. From the crew and everybody that works on it, and so everyone knows me on the DeQueen Eastern and the Kiamichi Railroad, and any other railroad that watches my videos. And so share, comment, subscribe, look me up on YouTube, and help me out, support my channel, give me a thumbs up, and support me if you can on my YouTube channel. I got 5 subscribers now, and I like that. So please support me, and give me some more subscribes, and I'll see you next time. Marshall out. Thanks for watching. See you next time on the DeQueen Eastern Railroad on the hot rails. So see you later. Marshall out. Thanks for watching the DQ&E on the hot rail. DQ&E T&E Railroad on the hot rails. Boop. See you later, everyone. Marshall out. Thanks for watching. I gotta go to work in the morning.